And we would wish to see more people recovering, more success stories, so that they can, inform others that recovery is attainable, that recovery is possible. So that's where we would want to be in the next 10 years. And we call upon people to come and support us to ensure that we have this holistic project, more standard and professional and big facility where we can admit more people that needs these services, because there are so many out there. I would emphasize on one thing, that recovery is possible. Mental health treatment is available. We can manage all conditions. And as Care First Recovery Homes, we've got the right team to manage all kinds of people, all kinds of addictions and mental health conditions holistically, and people are recovering. And we have got so many success stories out there today.